Think about the friction of traditional internet research dissolving. You open a dozen tabs, read through articles for hours, take messy, fragmented notes, and inevitably lose track of your sources. It is a slow, manual drain on your day. Google Gemini Deep Research operates as an autonomous AI worker, capable of executing complex assignments from start to finish without constant oversight or follow-up prompts. Today, we are going to use this system to build a complete, presentation-ready market research report using exactly one prompt. Your daily workflow is about to transition from passively searching for scattered information to actively delegating comprehensive work. Step 1 happens directly inside the Gemini interface. You have two distinct models to choose from. Standard Deep Research is built for speed and everyday quick turnaround queries. Then there is Deep Research Max. For a heavy lifting project like a deep competitor audit, we need serious processing power. We will select the Max version so the system can think longer and analyze larger sets of data. Before writing your instructions, you can attach your own company files, like PDFs or internal sales spreadsheets. The AI will read your private data and cross-reference it directly against live web trends. The quality of your final report depends entirely on the clarity of your instructions. If you feed the system vague ideas, you get generic text in return. Garbage in, garbage out. To prevent that, we construct a mathematically precise prompt using 4 mandatory components: your specific goal, the layout format you expect, the exact data points to focus on, and the final output deliverables. Let's apply this formula. For our goal, we instruct it to research top AI tools for small business owners. For format, we request an analytical report. For focus, we tell it to strictly compare price, ease of use, and time saved. For the output, we require an embedded comparison chart and 3 ready-to-use social media posts. Investing 2 minutes to build this structural blueprint is the only way to guarantee the system returns a highly specific, usable product. Once you submit the prompt, the AI pauses. It presents you with a step-by-step research plan, outlining exactly what it intends to execute. Reviewing this proposed roadmap is critical. It stops the system from going down the wrong rabbit hole and burning processing time on irrelevant sources. Approach this exactly as you would if you were a senior manager reviewing a junior analyst's project outline. If the scope looks too broad, you tell it to narrow its focus. Once the steps align perfectly with your objective, you click Approve. Now the execution phase begins. The system actively navigates the web, reading dozens of sources, pulling raw statistics, and cross-referencing external data against the files you uploaded. You actually watch its reasoning process unfold in real time. This intense processing runs completely in the background. It does not freeze your browser or monopolize your computer's memory. Because it works autonomously, you can close your laptop, step away from your desk, and let the worker finish the job. Moving the workload to the background transforms this AI from a simple drafting tool into a literal multiplier of your daily available hours. You return to your workstation, open the interface, and the assignment is finished. The layout is clean, the sections are logically divided, and the insights are formatted for immediate presentation. This chart shows a direct comparison of software pricing against time saved. The system generated this data visualization natively, without you needing to open a spreadsheet or graphic design software. Every metric is verified. The AI embeds precise, clickable citations directly into the text and data points. You can track any claims straight back to its original source. Scrolling to the bottom, the system also delivered the 3 ready-to-publish social media posts summarizing the findings, exactly as requested in our master prompt. Traditionally, compiling this specific package required alternating between a word processor, a spreadsheet, and a design platform. Now the entire workflow happens in a single unified environment. The final output is a formatted, deployable business asset, ready to be presented or implemented immediately. We spent a few minutes constructing a solid prompt and bypassed a market research process that typically requires days of manual human labor. Adopting autonomous agents allows a single user to compress days of manual data collection and synthesis into a few minutes of background processing. This creates a significant competitive advantage in industries that rely on rapid intelligence. If you want to integrate these tools into your workflow, check the link in the description. You can join the AI Profit Boardroom to access our exact copy and paste prompt templates and connect with a community scaling their businesses with AI. Mastering the management of these agents provides a significant shortcut in high-stakes research tasks. Drop a comment below and let us know what research project you plan to automate first.